Friends, welcome to Ignited Maths. At this video, we are going to get a very useful concept. It's based on the MCQs question, how we need to attempt the question, and with a very simple steps we can find the answer. So the concept is based on the chapter of the Trigonometry. It's of class 10 Cbse. The most wanted MCQs of the class 10 Cbse of chapter Trigonometry. All the questions are based on the Ncert questions only. So as per the thumbnail given, we are going to ignite it. As over here, we are going to do the 20 MCQs questions. So most of the questions with the help of the formulas we can do it, and some of the questions we need some of the calculation. In every question, the working rule will be also explained, even the question will be also displayed. Plus, for some of the basic concept, if there is any queries related to basic concept, then don't forget to check out the description box for all the respective questions. Okay, if for the respective first question this basic concept is included, I'll just mention at the I button, so don't forget to check on it. Okay, most of the concept will be also explained in this video itself, but if there is any queries related to the basic concept, then don't forget to check out the description box, and even for the respective question at the I button will be also shown. Without any further ado, let's start to ignite it. So the first main question is displayed is nothing but we need to find the value of cos 0, cos 1, cos 2, cos 3 degree till cos 90 degree. We need to find it. Okay, what will be the value of it? Here the four option is given. For this concept, we need the trigonometric tables. Over here, the trigonometric table is displayed. Just see the cos functions. Okay, the cos 0 will be 1 and the cos 90 will be 0. So it lies between 0 and 1. It will be not less than 0, and even it will be not greater than 1. It means it lies between 0 and 1. Even we can check at cos 30, cos 45, cos 60. We can check. It will be greater than 0, but as well as it will be less than 1. So if we will do the multiplication of each and every, like cos 0 is equal to 1 and cos 90 is nothing but 0. Any of the values like cos 1, cos 2 degree, cos 3 degree, cos 30 degree, cos 89 degree, it will be greater than 0, but even it will be less than 1. So 0 into any number, whether it is 1, 2, any number, or 0.1 or 0.2, it will be 0 absolutely. So the option will be C. This trigonometry tables, how we need to remember this trigonometry tables, all the trigonometric formulas, all is just shown at the I button. Just click on this video, even we can get the clear concept of it. Move to the second main question. If x tan 45 degree sine 30 degree is equal to cos 30 degree tan 30 degree, then the x is equal to, here also the four option is given. Okay, over here we need to just use the trigonometry tables formulas like tan 45 sine 30 cos 30 tan 30 value, and we can find it. Over here I have just shown the value of it. Okay, related to the trigonometry table have just shown in the I button. Just go through the video. Main question. The question is sine theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. Then cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta is equal to, what will be the value? So from the given question, sine theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. We can write as sine theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta, in which 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta by the trigonometric identities. Over here we are squaring both the sides. So it will become as sine theta as sine square theta and cos square theta as cos raised to 4 theta. Left hand side sine square theta, it's nothing but 1 minus cos square theta and cos raised to 4 theta, as I have written as like us. Now I have rearranged the LHS and RHS values, so we got the term as cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta is equal to 1. So the option is C. Fourth question. What is the minimum value of the sine A if the A lies between 0 and 90? Okay, with the help of the trigonometry table we can easily identify the minimum value of the sine will be absolutely 0, so the option will be B. For the fifth main question also, it's absolutely same as like as fourth. By the trigonometric table we can identify, that is what is the minimum value of cos A in which A lies between 0 and 90. The minimum value of the cos theta will be always a 0, so the option will be also B. Let's move to the sixth main question. Over here the question is sine 2b is equal to 2 sine b is true when b is equal to the certain four options are given. We need to identify, but we know that according to the trigonometric formulas, that sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. So can we write a sine 2b is equal to 2 sine b cos b at the LHS I have written, and 2 sine b at the RHS is same like a question I have written. The 2 sine b from LHS and RHS are common, so I have cancelled it. So I got the answer as cos b is equal to 1. So what will be the value of b? It's nothing but cos inverse of 1. I took the cos at the RHS, so it will become as cos inverse of 1. So the 1 is nothing but cos 0. So the cos and cos inverse are cancelled. So the b is equal to 0 degree. This is one way of method. Other way, it's nothing but I took the LHS value as sine to b. Okay. In place of b, we just put the value as 90 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree, 0 degree as per the option given, and we'll just take with the LHS and RHS value. LHS and RHS will be not equal when we put as 0 degree in place of b. It's nothing but sine 0 is equal to 2 sine 0. We got the answer as 0. So the option will be absolutely D. First procedure will be quite simpler and easier as compared to second method. Now the seventh main question is, given that sine theta is equal to a by b, then tan theta will be how much? Okay, we know that sine theta is nothing but opposite upon hypotenuse. So I have written a right angle triangle with a, b, c, and theta also mentioned. We know the two sides value, but what will be the other sides? By the Pythagoras theorem we can find this. So it is nothing but hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. I have represent the sides. Okay, the unknown I have represented as x, so I got the value as root of b square minus a square. So we can find the value of tan theta. It's nothing but opposite upon adjacent, so the opposite value will be a, and the adjacent is nothing but root of b square minus a square. So according to the option mentioned, it's the C. Eighth main question, it will be also similar like as 7. We can see it. If tan theta is equal to a by b, then the value of a sin theta plus b cos theta divided by a sin theta minus b cos theta. Over here we need to find the value of sin theta and cos theta. So from the given question, tan theta is equal to a by nothing but opposite and adjacent values. So if we have the opposite and adjacent value, we can find the other sides. Yes, by the Pythagoras theorem. So I have used the Pythagoras theorem and I have found the other side. It's nothing but root of a square plus b square, as I have mentioned, that is nothing but an hypotenuse. So if we have the hypotenuse value, so can we find the sin theta and cos theta? Because other values we know it. Yes, so sin theta is nothing but a by root of a square plus b square, because sin theta is nothing but opposite upon hypotenuse, and cos theta is equal to b by root of a square plus b square. So according to the given question, we need to find the value of a sin theta plus b cos theta divided by a sin theta minus b cos theta, and with sin theta and cos theta values we know as we have found it. So just put the value and we will be getting the answer as a square plus b square divided by a square minus b square. Ninth main question, if sin a minus cos a is equal to 0, then the value of sin raised to 4a plus cos raised to 4a, what will be the value? Here also the options are mentioned, so let's get started. Here according to the given question, sin a minus cos a is equal to 0. So can we put it as sin a is equal to cos a? Yes, and sin a divided by cos a, from the RHS we will just divide. So sin a divided by cos a, it's nothing but tan a. So tan a is equal to 1. 1, it's nothing but tan of pi by 4, it's nothing but tan 45 degree. Tan a is equal to tan pi by 4. Can we cancel tan, and we got the answer of a is equal to pi by 4. Now we need to find the value of sin raised to 4a plus cos raised to 4a. So just put the value of a at the given question. So sin square pi by 4 plus cos square pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 we know as 1 by root 2, and cos pi by 4 also we know as 1 by root 2. So just do the calculation and we got the answer as 1 by 2. So the option is question. The question is, if cos 9a is equal to sin a and 9a is less than 90 degree, then the value of tan phi a, what will be the value? So over here cos 9a is equal to sin a at the given question they have given, but we know that sin pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cos theta. How this value came related to the complete concept I have explained in this video. At the I button will be getting the concept, in which sin pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cos theta. By the trigonometry function of the allied angles we have got it. So in short, sin 90 minus 9a is equal to sin. 9 is common in both sides, so we got as 90 minus 9a is equal to a. So 90 is equal to 10a, in which we have took this 9 minus 9a the right hand side. So a is equal to 90. Then what will be the value of tan of phi a? So tan of phi is nothing but tan of phi 9 degree. So 9 phi is a 45. So tan 45 will be 1. I button we may get all the important videos related to the particular MCQs question. Okay, if any needed of the club of the concept, the playlist also is being ready at the description box. You may get it, but in respective question for the fifth MCQs, what I need to see, what all the related videos, that will be shown at the I button. Main question: if A and 2A minus 45 degree are acute angles such that sin A is equal to cos of 2A minus 45 degree, then tan A is equal to what will be the value? So we'll just mention a right angle triangle in which 2 are the acute angles. So we'll mention as A and 2A minus 45 degree. That sum of the angle of the triangle will be 180. One angle we have already mentioned as 90. So the two acute angle they have given as A and 2A minus 45 degree. So in short, A plus 2A minus 45 degree is equal to 90 degree, in which we can get the value of A, the value in the sin A and cos 2A minus 45 degrees. So sin A, it's nothing but sine of 45 degrees. So 45 will be 1 by root 2. Cos 2A minus 45 degree, what will be the value? Again it will be 1 by root 2. So the tan A is nothing but sin A by cos A. 2 divided by 1 by root 2 will be the answer as 1. So the option will be C. Main question: if A, B, C are the interior angle of a triangle ABC, then cos of B plus C by 2 is equal to what will be the value? Okay, now this 12th main question is one of the proofs as we have studied. Okay, the proof as I have explained over here, even we can do it with any of the angle. That is with simplest formula, we can do it any of the angle. That is nothing but A plus B plus C is equal to pi. Pi is nothing but 180, in which A, B, C are the interior angle of the triangle. Sum of the angle of the triangle will be 180. We'll just divide by 2. We'll just take it at the right hand side, and by allied angles formula we can find it. Okay, all sort of things I'll just explain it. Okay, at the I button you just cross check with this video if any queries. Main question: the solution will be A plus B plus C is equal to pi. Okay, B plus C, it's nothing but pi minus A. If we will divide by 2, then it will be B plus C by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus A by 2. Yes, in which I'll just mention the cos of B plus C by 2. So cos of pi by 2 minus A by 2 is nothing but cos of 90 minus theta. It will be sine theta. So the value will be sine of A by 2. Okay, over here theta, but in the question it's A by 2. So it will be A by 2. Option will be A. They can ask in any of the trigonometric functions like sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cot theta, any of the trigonometric function they can use it, but the formulas will be same. That is nothing but A plus B plus C is equal to pi. Even we can substitute at the right hand side, left hand side, and with the help of the trigonometric function of the allied angles we can find it. So the solutions procedure will be absolutely same. The thing is, the trigonometric function may differ in question. At the 13th main question, the question is sine of 90 minus A and cos A are different, same, not related, none of the above. So sine of 90 minus, it's nothing but sine of pi by 2 minus A. Over here A is an angle, but over the trigonometric function of the allied angles have mentioned that theta is an angle. So sine of pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cos theta. By the trigonometric function of the allied angles formula we can get it. So the option will be B, because equal to same. Yes. Move to the 14th main question. Over here the question is given as if cos A is equal to 4 by A, then tan A what will be the value? Over here also the 4 option is given, so let's find the value of it. Okay, with the help of the cos A, can we find the sec A? Because cos A is nothing but 1 by sec A. So why I have found the sec A? Because 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. We know the formula by the trigonometric identities. So if we found the value of sec A, then we just put the value in the identity so that we can get the value. I have noted down all the steps properly. Just pause the video and check it properly. If any queries, then don't forget to comment in the comment section. Let's move to the 15th main question. If sine A is equal to 1 by 2 and cos B is equal to 1 by 2, then A plus B, what will be the value? So sine A is equal to 1 by 2. By the trigonometry table, we know that sine 1 by 2 is nothing but sine 30. Yes. So in which A is equal to 30 degree. If cos B is equal to 1 by 2, it's nothing but cos of 60, in which B is equal to 60 degree. So we know the value of A and B. That's nothing but 30 and 60. So A plus B is nothing but 90. So according to the given question, D will be the solution. Let's move to the 16th main question. If cos of A plus B is equal to 0, then sine of A minus B is reduced to Okay, over here also the 4 option is given. Here the 2 option is in the form of trigonometric function or double angles. Yes, we can see cos of 2b and sin 2b. So over here we need to use the trigonometric function in the allied angles formula. So I have just used it. Cos of a plus b is equal to 0 according to the given question. So 0 is nothing but cos of 90 degree, in which cos of a plus b, over here cos of 90 degree. So the cos cancel, and over here a plus b is equal to 90. So in which I can get the value of a is equal to 90 minus b. So we need to find the value of sine of a minus b. So sine of a minus b, it's nothing but sine of 90 minus b, in which a is equal to 90 minus b. Yes, so minus b, it's nothing but minus of 2b. So sine of 90 minus 2b, it's nothing but sine of pi by 2 minus theta. According to the trigonometric function and allied angles, we can get it. It's nothing but cos theta, but over here theta is 2b, so cos 2b value. So over here the option will be. Let's move to the 17th main question. Over here the question is given as 9 sec square theta minus 9 tan square theta is equal to what will be the value. Okay, so over here the 9 is common, so I'll just take in the common. So in bracket it will be coming of sec square theta minus tan square theta, but according to the trigonometric identities we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So 9 into 1, it's nothing but 9, so the option will be B. Let's move to the 18th main question. Over here we need to find the value of root of 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. Here we have written as root of 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. We just rationalize the denominator, so it will become as 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Okay, I have just rationalized the denominator, and after doing the rationalization we just multiply with the terms. So 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta is nothing but 1 plus cos theta the whole square, and 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta is nothing but a minus b and a plus b. So the formula will be a square minus b square. Over here a will be 1 and b will be cos theta, so 1 minus cos square theta, and over here 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. It is all in the form of root, so root and square will be absolutely, we can cut it. So we got the answer as 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta. Over here I have taken the denominator common, 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. 1 by sin theta we know as cosec theta, and cos theta by sin theta is nothing but cot theta, and we got the answer as B. So let's move to the 19th main question. Over here the question is given as if x is equal to a cos y is equal to b sine a, then b square x square plus a square y square, what will be the value? Just in place of x and y we need to put the value. So b square x square, we know the value of x, so just square the value, and even in place of y we just put the value of y and we just square it. It will be in the form of cos square a plus sin square a, but we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, but over here a is an angle, but over that theta is an angle, so that will be the difference and we will be getting the answer. Let's move to the 20th main question. Over here the question is if sin theta is equal to cos theta, then the value of theta will be, okay, over here the 4 option is given. Just in place of theta, if we will put each and every degree like 0 degree, 45 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree according to the mentioned on the MCQs. So if we will check with 0, then it will be not equal. If we will check with 45 degree, it will be equal. Yes, sin 45 will be also 1 by root 2 and cos 45 will be also 1 by root 2. If we will check with 60 or 90, it will be not equal. So the option will be B. Now we have completed with the 20 MCQs of the chapter Trigonometry class 10 Cbse. If any queries with any of the MCQs, then don't forget to comment. Requirement of the MCQs of the other chapters of the class 10 Cbse or any other board, then don't forget to comment below. And if this ignited math is so helpful, then do like, share and subscribe for more updates.